Go. No problem. I think I saved the deputy's life yesterday.
Is that right?
Yeah. I was on a search and rescue, and she was in Saint Denis, and I was just, riding around the streets calling out, and then I heard her, and she was next to the doctor's office. And apparently she'd fallen off the roof, and then when I was helping her up, this fella appeared in the alleyway, and I didn't know he was there at first, and then when I got her up, she saw him, and then realised who he was, and that was when I turned round and I recognised him. He was the person that robbed me, like the first time I got robbed, and she was absolutely terrified, and I weren't going to leave her behind and that, so I sort of fronted him out a bit, I sort of stood up to him and said, "Yeah, you're the fella that robbed me," and he tried to sort of deny it and say it was his sister, and I was like, "No, I know it was you because you're the twins, aren't you?" And I turned around to the deputy and I said, "Just for the record, this is the man that took my gun," and I told him, "Excuse me." I mean, I was polite and professional. I wasn't rude or anything like that, and got him to get out of my way, and then he sort of moved closer to the deputy, and that was when I said to the deputy, "You better come and help me with this thing I need to sort out," and I got her out of there, because I don't know what he would have done. Apparently he just got out of Sisika, and he's a right nasty bastard.
Damn fun work.
Thank you.
Takes a whole lot to do that.
Yeah,
Some folks don't know what to do in that sort of situation, and you did it right.
yeah, I stood right up to him, almost nose to nose. I said, "Yeah, do you recognise me? I'm the fella you robbed." Put him on the back foot. I wasn't scared of
Very
him.
good.
I was just more worried about her getting hurt, because she was absolutely terrified. And then I got her on the back of Moonshadow, and I rode her back to the sheriff's office in Saint Denis. It's a friend of Kat's. I did tell Kat about it. It's her friend Joanna Briggs.
Very good.
Thank you. I was going to go and check.
For a young man, you sure are, I don't know. You know how to handle yourself.
Well, yeah, I'm sort of, becoming a manly man, I suppose. I mean, I've pretty much fight wolves and grizzlies on a daily basis. And,
That don't make you a man. There is no manly man. There's only you.
yeah,
You dictate how you are.
yeah,
How you are as a person. How you are day in and day out.
yeah.
Be the kind of man you want to be. Whether that's a good man, a stern man, an angry man, a bad man. Be whatever man you want to be.
Oh, yeah.
But I will never be, you will never be, nobody will ever be a manly man. There's no such thing.
Right. So it's like
I'm
a
a
myth.
manly man.
So it's like a myth then, is it? Being a manly man?
There's no such thing.
Right. So I'm already there then, aren't I? Because I am a man.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know, standing up to ruffians. I was just telling Deuce that I stood up to a ruffian yesterday to protect a nice lady.
We all
Honestly, I
navigate
think
situations differently.
It's
my
hard.
brother used to get teased sometimes in school. Is they used to say that manly men don't cry and that kind of stuff, and I think that's just so silly. Because honestly, I think one of the strongest things you can do is express your emotions healthily,
Yeah,
and it's actually, I would say, stronger than not doing that. So I
yeah,
don't think there really is any definition of what is manly or not. I think it's better to be gentlemanly
yeah,
than manly.
yeah. Well, I think it's nicer to be polite, isn't it, to people and to help people than just to be horrible to people. And I've never understood how some people can just be so horrible, and I wonder how they sleep at night. I really do. I've got something for you, Cat.
Oh, thank you.
You got a long ways ahead
Oh,
of you.
thank you.
That's right.
You've only just begun your journey in life.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like my life is now I'm here is beginning because when I was in England, I never really had a life. My mother just protected me so much that I never really saw anything of the world. I mean, I did go out into the fields around Colchester because I was to like studying all the wildlife, but I never really like socialised with people. So, I never went to school. My mum taught me at home. Um, I just lived under the shadow of my father, just being, you know, just so horrible to me and my mother all the time, especially my mother. She used to, get in the middle a lot.
There are many life experiences you have yet to get
Yeah,
your hands on.
yeah,
In due time, you will.
yeah,
Those experiences will shape you up. You will find out who you truly are.
yeah.
Proud of you, Rodney.
Thanks. Just so glad to be here. Everyone's just so kind to me. It's incredible. I've never experienced anything like this, apart from my mother.
Oh, we're happy you're here, Ronnie. We are.
What's this?
It's food. I mean, you said you wanted to try my cooking, right?
I think she did ever so well.
How's it taste?
Oh, very good. There's a whole lot of it.
Oh, good. Well, I can cook for you anytime you want. You
Yeah.
just say the word.
How about that, eh?
Yeah. I'll let you know. There's just a whole lot of steak here. Just look to it.
Mhm. Yeah, it's kind of crunchy sometimes when I make steak.
It's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
Good. Well, I can make more anytime. You just say the word.
That I will. I'll let you know.
Alright.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you.
Now, you were supposed to be a trade, but I don't have anything currently. Give me but a moment. I'll be returning shortly.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just going to go and check my telegram.
Alright.